Our final student speaker for you this afternoon is Allison Che. She is the president of Student Council, the co-captain for the academic decathlon team, a member of the Science Olympiad, a member of NHS, National Honor Society, and the National Junior Honor Society. She's a part of the Asian American Club and was a part of the Academic Center track and cross-country teams. She hopes to study environmental science with communications or food science with sustainability. Please welcome to the stage, Allison Che.
Hi, my name's Allison. After dropping me off on the first day of 7th grade, my dad handed me my venture card and said, "Good luck, I'll see you at home after school." And I've lived here ever since. Not really, but I definitely consider Whitney Young as my second home. I remember being terrified of taking the train in 7th grade. I'd only gone downtown on the L twice before coming to Whitney Young. At first, I was intimidated by most things. The rush of tall basketball players during passing periods, joining clubs, and even raising my hand in class. If I had told my timid 12-year-old self that I would be standing here today, I would have thought you were joking. I wouldn't be standing here if I had stayed within the borders of my North Side neighborhood either. Being a commuter at a young age taught me immeasurable independence, self-awareness, and time management skills. Those early struggles I overcame at Whitney Young has shaped me to be the confident person I am today. Growing up in this environment has led me to discover my goofier self and my love for motivating others. I've taken those skills and honed my abilities to win the state championship for the 33rd consecutive year and take 3rd place at nationals in the academic decathlon. Our success required countless hours of studying outside of school on Saturday practices, but we were only able to accomplish this with the support of our coaches and administration. The teachers and faculty here are truly amazing and tirelessly work to better our experience here. I've built bonds with them and have kept in touch with my teachers since the 7th grade. They're the best club sponsors and biggest support systems I can ask for. With their support, I've been able to study abroad in China under a full scholarship, present at the National Student Council Leadership Conference, win Science Olympiad state medals, and this October was able to present my research paper to a global food sustainability conference. Anyone could be a leader here at Whitney Young. Thanks to Dr. Kenner's unique open door policy, I've had the ability to take initiative on projects just by walking into our office doors. You can find your niche and immerse yourself in our various communities here. There's something for everyone with our academic, cultural, performing arts, and sports teams and clubs. A school with many traditions and connections, we also find balance in creating for the new, such as our athletic complex and new courses added to our curriculum every year. Not only are we one of the most diverse schools in the nation, but our students themselves are diverse in their academic interests. My favorite highlight of participating in the Student Council will forever be the Taste of Whitney Young. Much like the Taste of Chicago, it's a great school-wide fundraiser, but I also get to see the variety of every club we have here and the food that they offer. It's at events like these where I feel the most proud to be at Whitney Young. Dolphin pride definitely radiates through everyone who passes through our doors. Students who go to Whitney Young know that they were meant to be here. Our rich Chicago history allowed us to have one of the strongest alumni networks out of all the selective enrollment high schools. I've seen Whitney Young alumni on the TV screen, on advertisements, and in the White House. I've even met Whitney Young alumni who are now admissions officers for top 20 colleges. When you meet a fellow Dolphin, you immediately feel a connection with them. Whitney Young has truly been the best launch pad for my future. Because of my experiences, I know I'm ready to tackle the challenges of life. Thank you for attending our open house, and I have confidence in you prospective students and parents. I hope you will make the right choice by choosing Whitney Young as your second home for the next 4 years. Thank you.